Protect your cargo in transit. Freight insurance experts. TRG frequently asked question. All risk annual cargo insurance policies as low as 650 minimum premium. Pending underwriting review and approval. The above pricing does not include any applicable fees. To obtain accurate pricing of policy, click to get a quote or call 800656856082. Get a marine cargo insurance quote. Marine cargo insurance details. Tell us about your worldwide and domestic shipments, commodities, what best describe your business, estimated international volume, international mode of transit, estimated domestic volume, domestic mode of transit, full name, company, email, phone, submit. Whether you already have an annual policy in place, purchase CIF or insure shipment by shipment, TRG may be able to save your money on this important cargo insurance coverage as well. Your own business insurance agent most likely does not have the competitive market TRG has due to our specialization and years of experience. Learn more about TRG aggressive in-house claims. Knowledgeable, personable, and very helpful. I highly recommend them. Typical TRG Marine Cargo Insurance Annual Policy. Through strong and lasting relationships with our market insurance company, TRG Marine is proud of offer competitive full service marine cargo insurance against loss or damage to your international shipment, domestic and warehouse add-on coverage in our available on most international shipping policies. Minimum deposit with annual adjustment $650 per year, lowest annual premium available. No monthly reports, one annual volume figure of all covered shipment due to the end of policy $1,000 standard deductible. Our deductibility is available. Warehouse to warehouse where applicable. War and duty coverage at marginal or no extra charges. TRG Marine in-house claim analyst to liaison on your behalf of claims. Get a quote today for all risk annual cargo insurance policy. Have the peace of mind that you are fully covered. TRG, get a quote, contact us, TRG, language, blog, client support center, make a payment, my account, about TRG, about trade risk guarantee. Trade risk guarantee, TRG is an international surety agency providing custom bonds, marine cargo, insurance and other trade related products direct to companies that import into the United States. Current managing partner John Michael found TRG in 1991. John served as international underwriter for one of the largest custom bond companies from 1985 to 1991. Through this experience, he realized that certain products and services that are traditionally provided by the customs brokers could be provided directly from the insurance agency, resulting in low prices and higher level of expert custom services.